Why learning tools is becoming less important than understanding systems. Learning a new tool feels productive. You finish a course. You build a demo. You update your resume. But if you don't understand the system behind the tool, your growth plateaus quickly. Tools are interfaces. Systems are realities. A cloud platform is still built on distributed systems. A data warehouse still obeys principles of storage, indexing, and retrieval. A machine learning framework still depends on mathematical and architectural constraints. When you understand systems, switching tools becomes easy. When you only understand tools, switching becomes painful. The market is shifting toward complexity. AI pipelines, cloud-native architecture, microservices ecosystems, these are interconnected environments. Professionals who understand interactions between components become strategic contributors. Professionals who only know isolated tools remain tactical executors. Tool knowledge gets you in. System understanding moves you up. And that distinction is becoming more important every year.